MULN stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Mullen Automotive, it's just a bearish market, man, and I'm not even trying to be like this bad guy here, just like the pessimist. No, I've done 35,000 videos, I've spent thousands of courses, mentors, documented everything, and I'm going to show you exactly when I will count this as something bullish. But coming back here, this is where we are. We have this supply zone, which okay, here it is. It's gonna then make it be an MB. Previously, I was obviously, if you watch my previous video, you will understand what this meant, but I was willing to take things lower. And notice how it perfectly respected the supply zone and then kept going down. I mean, with that in mind, I'm not willing to force anything, you know. I still want to see the price take the lows out. So I will most definitely continue to keep you updated. It's only going to be something bullish if it starts breaking about 50 cents, but we're not there yet. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.